Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Copy AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up or register an account on the Copy AI, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address copy.ai and hit on enter. And after that you'll be directed over here on the search result page of Google, and you can see there is the Copy AI website directly over here. Click on that Copy AI website and you'll be directed to the home page of Copy AI. You can see over here, guys. Now in order to sign up for an account, there are three buttons on the home page to do that. One which says the get started, one which says the sign up with email, and one which says the sign up with Google. If you don't want to go through the long registration process, you can simply click on the sign up with Google to log into your Google account that opens from this button on the page of Copy AI. And if you log into your Google account over there, you will have signed up for a Copy AI by logging in with Google. That's automated sign up, guys. And to do for a manual login, click on the sign up with email, and over here, guys, at the top of the screen, similarly there is the continue with Google or continue with the Facebook. Similarly, if you log into your Google or your Facebook account on the page that opens from these buttons, you will have signed up for a Copy AI with your Google or a Facebook account the moment you log in. And with that being said, guys, for a manual login, simply enter over here, click over there and enter your email address with which you want to create an account on Copy AI. And after that, okay, let's correct this. And after that, simply click on continue, and as it says, they will send you a magic code for a password free registration. And the moment you click on continue, a code will be sent to you on your mobile or on your a code will be sent to you on your email address which you entered over here. And after you have received that code, on the next step, enter it and you will have registered an account on the Copy AI account, and you will have to customize your account later on. But with that being said, guys, this is how you sign up for a Copy AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.